Good morning students and welcome to the class again. As we have started in our EVS chapter number 4, safety first. And yesterday we have seen that why should we just keep safety? We should just keep safety to avoid the accidents. Yesterday we have just seen the safety on the road, that what are the safety rules that we should follow on the road. Today we are going to see safety at home. What are the safety points that we should follow at home to avoid the mishappening or the accident? So, see on the board. First is, do not play with sharp things. Means at home we should not play with the sharp things like knife, chaku, scissor, catchy, because these are the sharp things. So we should not play with the sharp objects. Okay? जिनकी जो sharp होते हैं, जिनमें नोक होती है, धार होती है, you can see here, we should not use the sharp things. Second is, do not play with switches and plugs. At our home there are the switches and there are the plugs, but we should not play with them. Means we should not touch the switches and the plugs, because there is the electric current in the switches and the plug, and that may be avoid a big accident. So always remember not to play with the switches or the plugs. Same like in this picture, you can say that we should not play with switches, and you can see here is the cross, that we should not play with the switches. After that, do not play with fire. Yes, at our home there is a matchbox, there is a gas cylinder, so always keep distance with these things. Fire means aag. So do not just move around the fire like the matchbox means matches, and the gas stove where your parents cook the food. Like here, that it is not good to play with fire. It is wrong. Okay. Sharp objects? No. Switches and plugs? No. Fire? No. We should never play with fire. After then, do not touch mixers, fans and ovens. At our home there is a mixers in which your mother just grinds something, or you can say juicer or the grinder, or mixers, fans and oven. We should never touch them. हमें कभी इनको टच भी नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? Not the mixer, not the fans and not even the ovens. After then, do not take medicine on your own. Yes, remember this point always. Do not take medicine. हमें कभी भी खुद कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं लेनी चाहिए. If you have seen that your mother is giving you the medicine, तो ऐसा नहीं है मम्मा ने सुबह जब मुझे मेडिसिन दी थी तो मैंने देखा था, मुझे पता है कौन सी है और मैं ले लेता हूँ. नो, नेवर. नेवर टेक मेडिसिन ऑन योर ओन. खुद कभी भी बिना एल्डर्स से पूछे खुद कभी कोई मेडिसिन आप नहीं लेंगे. ओके, द सेम इज शोन इन द पिक्चर इन योर बुक ऑल्सो. यू कैन सी दैट दिस गर्ल इज टेकिंग द मेडिसिन एंड नो वन इज हियर. और उसके पास में कोई मदर फादर कोई बड़े नहीं है साथ में. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. एंड इफ यू टच द फैन, maybe your hand or finger will be just cut. So this is also wrong. Okay, after that, the next is Do not fly kite on the rooftop. Rooftop means सबसे ऊंची छत. छत का जो सबसे ऊपर वाला टॉप वाला पार्ट है. Do not fly kite means we should not fly the kite on the top of the rooftop. Okay? हमें कभी भी काइट छत के ऊपर, वो भी बिल्कुल अकेले, तो कभी भी फ्लाई नहीं करनी चाहिए. You can see here, this boy is on the rooftop and in the corner. ये बॉय छत पर है और वो भी कॉर्नर में है. This is wrong. This is wrong. We should never fly the kite on the rooftop. So what you just learned? We just learned the safety at home. At first we learn not play with sharp things. Do not touch switch and plug. Do not play with fire. Do not touch mixer fans. Do not take the medicine. And do not fly the kites on the rooftop. Now we will see safety at school. What are the safety points that we should follow at school? The first is do not jump. Do not jump on the desk. On the desk means we should never jump on the table, on the benches, on the chair. We should just walk in a proper manner, not to jump in the class. Okay, you can see here, this is wrong. This is wrong. This boy is jumping on the desk, and if he will fall down, he will hurt, he will injure, maybe the blood will come. So, never jump on the desk. Second, do not throw anything. Throw means फेंकना. On others. Others means दूसरों पर. Do not throw anything on others. हमें कभी भी कुछ भी दूसरों पर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. Do not throw anything on others. Okay? Just remember this also. After that, the third point is do not take anything means कुछ भी. Okay? Do not take anything from a stranger. Stranger means the person you don't know. ऐसे लोग जिनको आप नहीं जानते हैं, do not take anything. उनसे आप कभी भी कुछ नहीं लेंगे. ओके? जिन्हें हम नहीं जानते हैं, अगर वो हमें टॉफीज देते हैं, कैंडीज देते हैं, चॉकलेट्स देते हैं, या कोई आपका फेवरेट टॉय देते हैं, but never take from the stranger anything they just give you, but never take, and never talk also to the strangers. आपको कोई स्ट्रेंजर आपका नाम पूछते हैं, आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, just avoid him and just come near the group or your parents. अगर आप स्कूल में हैं तो ग्रुप के पास आ जाएंगे, और फैमिली के साथ है तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स के पास आ जाएंगे. बट कभी भी जिन्हें हम नहीं जानते हैं उनसे हम ना तो ज्यादा बातें करेंगे और ना ही अगर वो हमें कुछ देते हैं, चाहे वो चीज हमें कितनी भी अच्छी लगती हो, बट वी विल नेवर टेक. This is not only for the school. If you are going for visiting some place in the marriage or in any other place like market, there also if some stranger just try to give you something, never take and say no, I don't need. मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मेरे पास है. आपके पास हो चाहे नहीं हो, लेकिन आप कभी भी स्ट्रेंजर से, अजनबी से कुछ भी खाने की, खेलने की कोई भी चीज हो, anything he want to give you, but never take. Okay? These were the safety rules for the home and some for the school and any other places that you have to always follow. I hope all of you just follow these rules. Yes? Okay, very good. Thank you, students. Goodbye.